Good afternoon, Cougars and parents, and welcome to week 25 of the Cougar Connection. We had a really great week here at Simons Middle School, as you can see from the pictures in the connection. A lot of students stayed after for the student council meeting at FCHS after the 8th grade visited Fleming County High School this week. 7th grade students also had the Olympics, and it was School Resource Officer Day at SMS. We do want to remind students of a few things that are upcoming. We do have the Sadie Hawkins dance, which is going to be on March the 3rd. The theme for this dance is perfect pairs. Traditionally, students dress in pairs, and they get pretty creative with their outfits. We'll have some small rewards for those students who have the best dressed. Also, it is FFA week, and there are several dress-up days and themes going on this week. On Monday, it's Wear Your Red, White, and Blue. Tuesday is Tough Stuff Tuesday. Wednesday is Welding Wednesday. Thursday is Super Punchy Thursday. And Friday is FFA Friday with blue and gold. Upcoming this week at SMS on Monday, we do have an admin meeting at 8. Mrs. Perkins is going to have the KHEAA representative in the library. This is going to be really useful information for our 8th grade students. There isn't anything yet on the calendar for Tuesday and Wednesday. On Thursday, teachers, there will be admin code training during PLC time. On Friday is Bring It Friday, as always. Advanced art students are going to the Taft Museum field trip. And students, if you are on the ICU list, you will be ineligible for that field trip. So please make sure you get your assignments turned in before Friday. And also, Kona Ice will be around on Friday afternoon. It is a happy birthday on Saturday to Mrs. Bubble this week, and a happy birthday to Mrs. Kitchen on Sunday. So, also students, one other thing. Our SMS yearbook orders are open now. Those yearbooks will be in sometime in May. So if you are interested in purchasing a yearbook, they are $22, and you can bring your money to the main office and turn it in. And we will get those handed out before the end of the school year. We do want to take a moment today and congratulate our student spotlight, Elena Hunt. Elena is a 7th grade student on the Red Jaguar team. Her teachers indicate that she is awesome to have in class and has a sarcastic and fun personality. She is active in 4-H shooting sports club. The shooting sports season runs from April to September, where she participates in air pistol, black powder percussion divisions. In 2022, Elena placed 2nd in the state in the black powder percussion. In 2023, she placed 3rd in the air pistol and 3rd in black percussion. At SMS, Elena is involved in the choir and will be attending All-State Choir in Ashland this coming March. She is also a talented artist who Mrs. Dusing describes as both wonderful, hilarious, and has an overall good kid with a great personality. Elena is also very helpful to her peers. She also enjoys camping and family and spending time with her family at the campground. She can always be found helping her friend Lisa out at school, and she is a standout student in the classroom with a 4.0 GPA. Students like Elena are exceptional every day, and we are proud to call her one of ours. Elena, congratulations. I've been watching you all year long and have so enjoyed watching your servant heart and your bring it attitude. So congratulations, a well-deserved student spotlight this week. We do want to take a moment and recognize our Achieve 3000 Leaderboard winners for last week. On Monday, Allison McLean. Tuesday, Stevie Keaton. Wednesday, Cody Rulison. Thursday, Samantha Orahood. Friday, Kirsten Harrington. Our weekly top scorer was Stevie Keaton, and our students with the most activities at 75% or above on the first try. It was a significant tie this week in grade 7 with Dominique Silva, Allison McLean, Evan Rick, Stevie Keaton, Lisa Anderson. And in 8th grade, also a tie between Dylan Oliver and Kirsten Harrington. This is our Alex leaderboard for this week. We did have a couple other students move into the completers section. I do believe Scott Gray moved down, and so did Paxton into the completers. So congratulations to those students. There are several students up on the board this week who should be moving very soon. So one other thing that we had ongoing at SMS last week was our exhibition event. So congratulations to these students. These students are the 8th grade Beta Club members who participated in the exhibition event. So in color photography, congratulations to Tynan Richardson, who is the most creative. Cami Berry, who had the best animal picture. Bobby Applegate, who was the best overall picture. In black and white photography, congratulations to Tyner Richardson for most creative, Hadley Singer for her animal picture, and Hadley Singer for best overall. In painting, congratulations to Hadley Singer. In poetry, Cami Berry. Apparel design, Abby Kelly and Maddie Stacy. Digital art, Cody Stevenson. Marketing and communication, Emily Osborne and Sydney Duncan. Quiz Bowl, Hunter Ham and Aubrey Jones. In the Math Challenge, Maggie McGlone and Presley Dowdy. In the States Challenge, Aubrey Jones. In the Grammar Challenge, Hadley Singer and Addie Highfield. In the Science Challenge, Emily Osborne. STEM Tower Challenge, Zoe Cropper and Brooklyn Beckett. And in the STEM Cell Phone Stand Challenge, Bobby Applegate, Addie Highfield, and Allie Highfield. These students were exhibition winners for our 7th grade students. So all 7th grade students participated in exhibition day here at SMS. So congratulations. In color photography, most creative, Asia Flinders. Jenna Hickerson for her animal photo. JC Robinson, best overall. In black and white photography, Garrison Kinder for most creative. Kaya Blankenship for her animal photo. Zachary Hitch, best overall. In drawing, Shallow Sin, Dominique Silva, Rylan Smalley. In painting, Macy Reed, Natalie Bergermeyer, Ella Watson. In creative writing, Harley Gardner. In poetry, Thomas Hare. In apparel design, Maddie Singer and Emma B. And Asia Flinders and Maddie R. Also in digital art, congratulations to Shallow Sin. In marketing and communication, Wyatt Emmons, Tyler Willoughby, Trevor Plank, Braxton Fields. In Quiz Bowl, Asia Flinders, Taylor C., Alex M., Logan W. In the Math Challenge, Brady Kramer, Addie Earlywine. In the States Challenge, Blake Bradley, Macy Crane. Grammar Challenge, Ethan Gray, Reagan Guzman. In the Science Challenge, Paxton Jones, JC Robinson. And in the STEM Tower Challenge, Brady Kramer, Cambria Hartley, Alex McGlone, and Logan White. In the STEM Cell Phone Challenge, Paxton Jones, Mason Hill, Scotty Gray, and Ella Watson. So there's a lot of students to recognize this week in our Cougar Connection, but congratulations, students. That exhibition event was a great event here at SMS. And that is all that we have this week in the Cougar Connection. Let's have another great week, Cougars.